Welcome, my dear friends. I welcome you all. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I would like to welcome you all in this interesting video on my Ayurveda Academy channel. My channel is very useful for all the types of the students, medical students, especially the BMS students. Then it is also useful for the teachers, professors, doctors, and also the common man. So there are playlist is available, different playlist, and nearly 650 plus videos are there. I request all of you, please check as per your own interest, and then you can share these videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. So today's topic is how to increase or decrease both the conditions, breast milk supply. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. My WhatsApp number is 9226810 This particular video is useful especially for the third year BMS students who are having the subject Prasuti Tantra and Stri Roga. But this video is also useful for general medical practitioners. Okay, how to increase the breast milk supply? That means how to increase the lactation. The scientific word is lactation. My dear friends, the best stimulation is regular suckling by the baby. Suckling reflex is the best reflex to get the breast milk. Lactation is insufficient. How you can diagnose? That means the baby is failing to gain the weight. Then you must start some treatment. What you can give to increase the breast milk according to the modern science? Tablet metoclopramide. I know. Everybody knows this tablet only as an anti-emetic. But my dear friend, I know this is the tablet anti-emetic to reduce the vomiting. But this tablet Reglan is very useful to increase the breast milk. 10 milligram tablets morning, afternoon, evening, minimum for 3-5 days. Or you can give tablet desaminoxytocin. This is the generic name and brand name is butocin tablet. Butocin tablet, half hour before each feed, that can increase the breast milk. In Ayurveda, we have the best galactagogue. What is the meaning of galactagogue? That is Stanya Janana in Ayurveda. Stanya Janana and Shatavari. This is the plant, herb, medicinal herb, Asparagus racemosus. So, sugar granules are available, Shatavari Kalpa. That sugar granules you can put into the milk, 2 teaspoons, and morning and evening you can drink that milk. Then you must remember in the breast milk, maximum percentage is of water. Water content is maximum in the breast milk. So the lady pregnant or after delivery, the lady should take ample of water. Hydration of your body, hydration of a pregnant woman is a mandatory. Otherwise, the delivered lady cannot get the breast milk. Hydration, drinking enough water, not only taking the dry stuff like what you can say, the popcorn and the sandwiches. No. You must take the wheat, rice, milk, water, curry, buttermilk, tender coconut water, all these things, buttermilk. You must take all these things, okay? That means, of course, I am talking about the lady, pregnant, delivered lady. Okay, next we will go further for the next slide. How to increase the breast milk supply? But the basic question, why there is a necessity to increase the breast milk supply? Every pregnant woman after delivery get the ample of breast milk. Why there is becomes the necessity? So there are 4-5 causes you must try to understand. Insufficient glandular tissue. Some women breast don't develop normally and may not have the enough milk making ducts to meet their baby's need. Second cause may be the hormonal or endocrine problems, like for example polycystic ovarian disease, a low hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism, diabetes mellitus, hypertension, or some hormonal problems that make it difficult to conceive and to get the breast milk. Also, third cause, previous breast surgery, maybe medical cause, maybe the cosmetic reason. So that can hamper the breast milk supply. Using hormonal birth control pills that can hamper the breast milk supply. Taking certain medications or the herbs, suckling difficulties or anatomical issues with the baby, like for a tongue tie, the child cannot suck, so suckling reflex is lost. Some ladies try to avoid the feeding at night. That is not correct, because that can also hamper breast milk supply. Okay, so Ayurveda explains this condition as stanya kshaya. Kshaya means less supply. Kshaya means not sorry, Kshaya means not tuberculosis. Stanya Kshaya means less breast milk supply. The reference is from Sushruta Samhita Sutrasthan, chapter 15. The students must go to that chapter and open that. There, Ayurveda has mentioned what are the causes of less breast milk. Number one, krodh, anger in the mind of a woman. Shok, anxiety or depression. Avatsalya. A means opposite, vatsalya. That means there is no affinity for a child. No affinity for a child. That is dangerous. It may be because of unwanted pregnancy. There is also a cause called as a bhaya, fear. Fear of losing the shape of the body, getting the problem of overweight. So many misconceptions may be there, and there may be fear. So all these causes can hamper breast milk supply. Okay. What we have to do as an Ayurvedic physician? First, Nidana Parivarjanam, removal of the basic cause. The doctor should counsel the particular lady, try to remove the psychological breaks and the obstructions and the problems. Then you must prescribe tablet leptadine. Tablet leptadine from Allersin company, 2 tablets morning, 2 tablets evening during whole 9 months. Or you can give tablet Garbhpalarasa. Garbhpalarasa. 1 tablet morning, 1 evening for whole 9 months with Kushmandakavaleh jam. Kushmandakavaleh, white gourd. What food you must advise, prescribe? Sweet porridges, ahaliu, poppy, khaskhas, almonds, mixed it. Cook it with the milk and sugar and porridges. These porridges are best to stimulate the breast milk. Proper hydration, as I already talked to you, drinking enough water, minimum 10 to 12 glass per day. Then, what is that? Stanya Janana Mahakashaya. Stanya Janana Mahakashaya. Kashaya is a group of the medicines by which you can use to prepare the Ayurvedic decoctions. Kashaya, Kadha, decoction. So you can go and refer that Charaka Sutrasthan, chapter number 4 and Shlok number 17. But that all the medicines I have included in the leptadine, in the Garbhapala Rasa, Shatavari Kalpa. Okay. Then take green papaya, bananas, avocados, sapota, chikku. All these fruits you can take, the lady can take for getting the breast milk. Second topic of our video, how to decrease the breast milk supply. To reduce, to stop the lactation, what doctor can give? Which medicines doctor can give? Number one, tablet bromocriptine, generic name. Tablet bromocriptine, generic name. And what is the brand name, company name? Proctinal. Proctinal. 1.25 milligram, 1 morning, 1 evening for 3 days only. Then you reduce, then you increase tablet 2.5 milligram BD. Increase the dose, 2.5 milligram. If it is tolerated well, increase the dose 2 times in a day. Then or tablet pyridoxine. Pyridoxine, generic name. B long tablet, brand name. 2 tablets morning, afternoon, evening. Or tablet stilbestrol. Tablet stilbestrol. 5 milligram tablet, 2 tablets morning, afternoon, evening for 4 days. Then reduce 1 morning, 1 afternoon, 1 evening. These are the medicines from modern school of medicine, allopathic medicines, but best working to reduce the breast milk. Or there is a lot of variety, a lot of options are there. Doctor can choose any one of it. Injection estradiol plus testosterone. hormones, estradiol and testosterone. The name is myxogen injection. Myxogen injection, 1 milligram intramuscular, if given in a very early stage. Advice to control that excessive breastfeeding: firm supporting braziers, or breast binders available in the market. Regular breast evacuation by breast pump if that particular congestion causes the pain to that particular lady in the breast. So to remove that pain, remove that congestion, remove the milk. Remove the milk by breast pump available in the market. How to decrease breast milk supply according to Ayurveda? Ayurveda, external application of kala bol and turmeric water, in the water, mix it and apply on both the breast. Cabbage leaves packs. There is or either you can apply paste, or either you can apply the cabbage leaves packs, which dries up your excessive secretions, or sometimes if there is a severe inflammation and pain, ice packs. Okay. Internally, Kade Chiraith is having tiktaras and dryness, ruksha guna. So Kade Chiraith Ghanavati, 2 tablets morning after evening to reduce the milk. Or you can take Kalakhapri and Marich, black pepper, Laghumalini Vasanta. Content of Laghumalini Vasanta, Kalakhapri and Marich, 2 tablets morning, afternoon, evening. Some Vaidyas can go for Shodhana Chikitsa, that is Virechana, therapeutic purgation, simple laxative, Aragvadha Kapilavati, only 2 tablets at night. How to decrease the breast milk supply? But again, my question, why we require to decrease breast milk supply? Because Matureva pibet stanyam. I am saying Ayurveda, Matureva pibet stanyam. 5,000 years back, Ayurveda says the breast milk is the best food for the baby. Breast milk is the best food for baby. Ayurveda says 5,000 years back, and then WHO says, yes, breast milk is the best food. Then why we want to decrease the breast milk? Because some unfortunate mishap or things are there. A child is died after delivery. So what is the use of that breast milk? Unnecessary congestion will be there, pain will be there, abscess will form. Breastfeeding is not possible due to some health conditions of the mother or some health conditions of a child. If the mother has a breast abscess, she cannot feed. If there are painful cracks on the nipple, mother cannot feed. Child has a tongue tie. Child cannot suck. That is the problem. Then what illnesses should you not breastfeed? The lady delivery, after pregnancy, which lady should not do the breastfeeding? Number 1, birth defects in the child, breast surgery, then coronavirus disease, COVID-19, Ebola virus disease, foodborne and waterborne illnesses, hepatitis B or hepatitis C infection, herpes simplex virus, and HIV. In these conditions, mother cannot feed to the child. Okay, and then we have to stop the breast milk. So this is all about today's video. I request all my viewers, all my videos are basically educational purpose for the students, medical professors, medical doctors. Yes, but the patient can see it, but that particular patient should take the precaution, no self-medication, please. No self-medication, please. Okay, this is disclaimer. Then आपको कुछ तबीयत की शिकायत है, excessive menstruation in the ladies, white discharge, infertility, cancer? Yes, you can contact me on WhatsApp 9226810630. The number is given at below. Okay. You can also contact Professor Deshpande 9226810630 to get students, teachers, professors, doctors, PPT as per demand. audios as per demand, videos as per demand. Yes, Dr. Deshpande can make it for you. Okay. So I am very much thankful for your patience hearing and seeing this video. And I request once again, please share this video, like this video, make your comments, because everything boosts my energy. Okay. So last but not least, at all the times, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And I wish you all the best in your studies, in your life. All the best. Take care, my friends. All the best.